Welcome to Lesson 8 from Chapter 3. The essential question for this lesson is, how are multiplication and division related? Problem-solving investigation, strategy, reasonable answers. So we're looking to see if our answers are good enough to make sense or be reasonable. Star won 4 tickets at family game night. Susie won 5 times as many tickets. There's my key word, times as many. I know now it's multiplication. Is it reasonable to say that they won 24 tickets altogether? Okay, so altogether means add. So we're going to have to multiply and add in this problem. Okay, number 1, we have to understand. What facts do you know? Okay, well, we know that Star won 4 tickets. And we know that Susie won 5 times as many tickets as Star. What do we need to find? We need to find the total number of tickets won altogether. Okay, now we need a plan. We're going to multiply 5 times 4. And then, of course, we have to add 4. Why? Because we have to find out how many Susie won, 5 times as many, and then how much Star won. So that's where the adding comes in. Okay, solve. So we can model. Okay, so she won 5 times as many as Star. So this is what Star won. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times Star, right? So Star won 4. We have 5 times 4. 5 groups of 4. So 5 times 4, multiplication fact, is 20. Remember our fact families, right? Okay, Susie won 20 tickets. And then we have to add that to what Star won. Okay, so Susie won the 20 tickets and Star won 4. We already knew that. So together they have 24. The girls won 24 tickets. Okay, so the question was, is it reasonable to say that they won 24 tickets? Is that a good thing to say? Does that make sense? Does my answer make sense? Yes, it is a reasonable answer because 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's how many Susie had, plus how much Star had, equals 24. So it works with both multiplication and addition. Okay, so now the back side doesn't have the words already for us, so we have to add them ourselves. Dasan delivers 283 newspapers each week. Lisa delivers 302 newspapers each week. Is 400 a reasonable estimate for the number of newspapers they deliver altogether, each week altogether? Altogether is an addition word. So, what facts do we know? We know that Dasan delivers 283 newspapers each week. We know that Lisa delivers 302 newspapers each week. What do you need to find? Remember, you can pause this at any time. Whether, okay, what do you need to find? We need to find whether 400 is a reasonable estimate for the number of newspapers they deliver each week altogether. So we need to find whether 400 is a reasonable estimate for the number of newspapers they deliver each week altogether. Okay, what's our plan? Okay, I will round, so we're going to do rounding, the number of newspapers that Dasan and Lisa each deliver in 1 week. Then I will add the rounded numbers together to find an estimated sum. I will round the number of newspapers that Dasan and Lisa each deliver in 1 week. Then I will add the rounded numbers together to find an estimate. Okay, here's how we're going to solve it. So we have 283 plus 302. But we're going to round each one. Okay, so 283, we're going to round it to the hundredths place. Actually, okay, this is push it up. So this is going to be 300 plus, and we're going to sink low, which is 600. Wow, well, what do you think? 600. Now, the question was, is 400 a reasonable answer? And our answer is 600. 600 and 400 aren't close. If we are rounding both to the nearest 100, they would not be the same answer. So therefore, I would not say that that's a reasonable estimate. They're off by 200 newspapers. That's kind of a lot. So Dasan and Lisa deliver about 600 newspapers each week. So 400 is not a reasonable estimate. All right, there we go. Let's see. For this drawing, let's draw a fruit smoothie. Maybe I'm just thinking about fruit smoothies right now. Maybe a little strawberry in there, cherry, pineapple, a little lemon slice. Yummy. All right. See you in class.